A package showed up today, and I was wondering what it was because I don't remember ordering anything. But what do you know? It seems to be the thing that's been missing. Well, not missing. That was promised when I bought the Tascam Model 12 because the packaging says it's coming from Tascam. So this is from Tascam's campaign. So they sent me a 16 gig. All right, okay, well, 16 gig, sure. Not too important, that 16 gig, because, I mean, memory is cheap. But what is more interesting is this Tascam TH-02, which I guess took some time to manufacture and get to me. I'm just kidding. So yeah, this is a TH-02, and it is the studio headphones version. It's got a flat response, foldable design, as we see. It's a little foldable. It is using I don't know if you saw that, it's got a TSR cable over there. Got a padded headband, cushion pads. It's got a 50mm driver. That's important. Interesting sensitivity. An okay frequency response, about as low as my regular headset, and 600 milliwatts of input power, and 3 meters when fully extended. All right, I just literally read that. So these are studio monitor headphones, and I'm excited to see how they perform. Oops. There we go. I'm excited to. That's TSR, right? I'm excited to see how they perform compared. You know what? Let's unbox this. Because full-on unboxing of the TH-02. So why not? I mean, even if it's free, it still deserves its own unboxing. So you've got a manual in here, sneakily hidden over there. An owner's manual. So for those of you who do not know or don't realize that Tascam is actually a TAC company. They are based out of Japan, but their North America office is obviously in Santa Fe Springs, California. I have not been there. So here we go. As I mentioned, it comes with its TSR, not TRRS, but no, not TRS. Sorry. Not TSR, TRS. I was watching Dungeons and Dragons the other day, so TSR comes to mind. No, this is TR, tip, ring, sleeve, compared to a TRRS, which is tip, ring, and sleeve. So the tip, ring, and sleeve. All right, there we go. And let's get rid of that too. You will notice that's really deep. So that tells you something about these. These cans, as it were, are very light, very plasticky, very plasticky. They do bend. They do bend. They do bend. Yay. So that is interesting. I don't know what to expect. I guess more from TH, but okay. I'll and then this is like fall leather. You can see that, and it's got some, I guess. Come on, show up here, show up there. There we go. Fall padding. Yeah, Tascam TH-02. I'm just double checking. Yes, you can. They will. Oh yeah, and you can extend them about from edge to edge. That's probably, I guess, about 3 inches maybe. So 3 inches one end and another 3 inches one end. Yeah, evenly. And then you can fold it. This, unfortunately, you cannot replace. It doesn't appear to be that you can replace this thing. If it breaks, I will try to tug. Nope, you can't. So best deal is if you break it, then just get another one. Oh yeah, this is interesting. So I mentioned there's a TRS, standard TRS, quarter inch TRS, but I think this is a converter. So there we go. You've got your 3.5 millimeter TRS. So you've got a free adapter here. Those are a nifty thing, Tascam. That's a good thing to include. That actually makes sense to include as part of your Tascam, part of your TH-02 headset. Let me see. No, it's not good to fold it like that. It's just probably like that. I don't know. Or you can fold it backwards. Nope. So how far can this thing go? Unfolded. Let's take a look. So I'm doing all this one-handed, obviously. So that's probably not the best way to get this done. Oh, okay. So one. Okay, there. Open. So yeah, that's the most of what you can get. And as you can see, it's sorta shaped right. It'll work. It's plasticky. It's bendy. It should like bend around your head. I'm not gonna like have it bent around my head, but it's a good backup. You can get a. And can I use this for office work, like a mic? Get a mod mic and stick it over there, left or right. That might work. I mean, if you need, like, for meetings, right? That makes sense. Like studio headset for basic Zoom or Teams meetings. That should work compared to, well, that's in terms of fidelity. That's my expectation anyway. That is my expectation. So what is this? Let's just briefly talk about this. It's 8 minutes of this one. So 80 MB. It's got an adapter. This is what you're supposed to stick into the Tascam. It's the HC though, not XC. What's the difference? So it kind of runs like a compact flash 533X. This is an older model, I think. I know. It's like when was the last time I've seen a USD-HC versus an XC? Anyway, so if you got the Model 12, I believe the 16 and 24 Tascam multi-track mixers, so you can plug an SD card in there, whatever format. It'll have it format. I suggest you format it, and then you can use it as storage of your mixes, as well as where you use it as part of your firmware upgrade. So that's the first thing I would do. All right, that's it. Quick review of the TH-02.